All right, so you guys wanted to know how to do a quick changeover of color out of the airbrush cup. So right here, if you look down into my cup, we see we have some color. Okay, we want to dump the excess out. Take whatever the cleanser is. That case would be alcohol for us. We're gonna spritz in there, do a quick back bubble. Go ahead and turn that PSI all the way up as high as possible. Back bubble, back bubble, back bubble, and dump. Do not blow all that color out of there. Reload. Back bubble, back bubble, back bubble. Spray so we get a nice stream. Do we see a good stream? Yes, we do. Dump the rest. Then take your towel and wipe your cup. One more time for cleanliness. Let's spray one last time. Spray, 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 back bubble, spritz. Dump and check to make sure we have no color. And that's how you quick cleanse your cup.